Here we are at the beach of Uttan, and here we find that nobody is there taking care of these dogs here. Huge population of dogs, all kinds of, all sizes of dogs you will find. Nobody taking care of neutering them, so they are here all over the place. Lying down, multiplying. Right now it's earlier in the afternoon, so you won't find that many, but if you come here in the evenings or mornings, you will see their population. Lots and lots of them here on the beach. Nobody to take care of their population. I hope some social service organization taking care of the dogs comes out here and gets them neutered, gets their population under control. It's just one place and there's so many of them, and that too during the afternoon. To come back here in the evening, early in the morning, there's gonna be lots of them all around the place. This is the beach of Uttan, 8 or 9 kilometers away from Bhinder. Loads of them in various sizes here, and nobody here to take care of their population. All around the place you'll find dogs in each and every corner. Here there is another gang. It's just one spot. Imagine on the whole area. Somebody concerned could get some social organization to take care of getting these dogs population controlled out here. For now everything is fine, but you never know when something might happen. Thank you.